All right, we're going to draw the Venn diagram for the following. We're going to do some shading. I wish I had some pre-made ones. That would have made sense. That's okay. So it might take you a couple steps for this, which is fine. On a test, I'd most likely give you a bunch of rectangles. But what might happen is after a while, you might be able to look at it and go, I know exactly where the sections need to be shaded, and do it in one step. So that's completely up to you. Ooh boy. Boop. So in the first drawing here, I'm going to draw A. In the second drawing, I'm going to draw B prime, and in the third drawing, I'm going to draw A union B prime. For the purposes of discussion, when we have our sections here, I'm going to call this section 1. I'm going to call the leaf shape section 2, the right crescent section 3, and outside section 4. So in order to graph A in our first drawing here, notice that would be sections 1 and 2. That's fun. And then in the second graph, we have B prime. B prime is everything outside of circle B. Oh, you know what? Let me just for funsies, because I'm running out of room. There's an A and a B. Sorry about that. I don't have my, I should have that in the original ones too. Let me do that real quick. Boop, boop. Okay, that's good. All right, so B prime are the sections outside of circle B. Notice that'd be sections 1 and 4. Stay in the lines, Mike. Stay in the lines. Maybe I shouldn't use the highlighter. It's more fun. Okay. So now we're going to union them. I'm not going to use a highlighter because it's too hard. I'll do that. Now we're going to union them, which means we're going to put them both together. So if the first drawing has sections 1 and 2, and the second drawing has sections 1 and 4, then putting them together, then we have sections 1, 2, and 4. So basically the only thing that's not shaded is that left crescent. I'm sorry, right crescent. Everything else is there. This would make a nice watercolor. Good. All right, now by the power of the internet, I'm going to put in some, you know what? I'm just going to do that. All right, I'm going to draw in the other guys. Oh, wait a minute, no. Oh, what was that thing? Might as well do this. Hold on, wait. It's going to be amazing. You're going to love it. All right, draw a thing. Look at that. Draw another thing. And then I'll put the answer here. That's good. Look at that. Technology. I draw a circle. Draw a circle. So this is a standard drawing for 3. Can I? Oh my gosh. I know I totally should pause the video. That'd be way too much fun. Can I do? I guess I'll just draw more circles. That's fine. Circle. 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 Who likes circles? Who doesn't? And then this is going to be, I'm going to write the numbering convention up here so that we have an idea of what's going on. And due to space constrictions, I'm only going to say what the letters are up here. So this will be A, this will be B, this will be C. This creates 8 sections. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our first drawing is just going to be that of A. The second drawing is going to be that of B union C. And the last drawing is going to be their intersection. A intersect the quantity B union C, which means I'm going to put like a little intersection here. Made it. So for the very first one in the top left, we want to shade in all the sections that deal with A. Notice A is now made up of 4 sections because we have 3 circles. And it's going to be sections 1, 2, 4, and 5. So this right here would be section A. That works. B union C would be the circle B put together with circle C. So B union C would be sections 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is so hard to do when you're not looking at what you're drawing. Oh, I went out the lines there. Don't tell anyone. And now we're going to intersect it, meaning we're only going to draw what they have in common. So again, section A is 1, 2, 4, 5. B union C is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do they only have in common? They only have in common 2, 4, 5. There we go. Boop. So that'd be the final Venn diagram for those 3. Okay, we'll do the same thing in part C. Let me draw some more rectangles. Please do the same. Okay, what color is that? Okay, we have blue. There's that. And then that's good there. Drawing some circles, drawing some circles. Do 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 do. Circle time. All right, if you need to, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to go right ahead. So same deal, same lettering conventions, A, B, C, same numbering conventions, 1 through 8. So we're going to have, well, our first drawing will be A union B. Our second drawing will be C prime. And we're going to intersect those again to create our final answer of A union B intersects C prime. Let me just do that right there. So again, we ask ourselves, what sections comprise of A union B? We'll notice that it'd be sections 1 through 6. So the 2 top circles there. Oh my gosh. I took 4 years of art for this. Oh, almost there. Okay. Like a Surratt. All right, that's good there. C prime would be everything that is outside of circle C. Well, circle C is 4, 5, 6, 7. So everything outside of that would be 1, 2, 3, 8. All right, so now we're going to intersect them again. That means only what they have in common. The first drawing we have shaded in 1 through 6. The second drawing we have shaded in 1, 2, 3, 8. So what do they have in common? They only have in common 1, 2, and 3.